Women in architecture are important, but sometimes I wonder, why aren't we at the top positions? Hi, I'm Bhavna Davra, a young and ambitious architect ready to tell you about women and architecture. Did you know, according to American Institute of Architecture, only 17% of registered architects are women? And the first woman to receive an architecture degree was Sophia Hadden, graduating from MIT in 1890. Next, Zaha Hadid, a groundbreaking architect, was the first woman to receive the Pritzker Prize Award in 2004. Not just facts, I have more. I came across Wade Asia, which is playing a major role to bring women in architecture. It celebrates not only amazing buildings, but also great things that women have done in history. They organized an event recently in Delhi, which started with some important ladies in architecture opening it up. They told their stories and even inspired others. Architects, interior designers, manufacturers, contractors, builders, students, we all came together to celebrate women of our community. The event featured various juries evaluating projects and material, enhancing the spirit of healthy competition and growth within our industry. As I walked through the event, I encountered a fascinating array of exhibitions. Different brands showcased their materials, each one a testament to beauty and the versatility of architecture. The exhibitors were even doing amazing things. A glass manufacturer was boldly demonstrating the durability of glass by hammering it. That's confidence. Another one gave the best example to use technology in the building industry. Let's check what the other people have to say about this extraordinary event.
So this is second time I'm coming here, and I must say it's a lovely initiative where women get really good opportunity to showcase their work and be here and interact with fellow designers also.
Wade Asia to get how architect thinks to use the organic products.
I think it's a place where you can come and see materials in a more brighter and broader spectrum. And second, why I came here is to see projects done by women, and not primarily women, they're just good projects. It's not about women or men, they're good projects and it's a good platform to showcase your work. I think that is a good bit, and let's see how it goes.
I just love the entire layout and the organization which has been done by the team Wade Asia.
I would say industry is setting new trend, which is maybe next 2 years. I think there will be a benchmark from India somewhere.
There's a sense of unity and empowerment. Women from all walks of life are connecting, sharing ideas, and collaborating. Wade Asia 2023 was a powerhouse of inspiration for me. See you next year.